High-tech news of 2023. The revolution of augmented reality, AR in 2023, brought forth a new era of immersive experiences and practical applications that transform the way we interact with the digital world. Imagine a pair of sleek and stylish AR glasses that you can wear like regular eyewear. In 2023, advancements in AR technology made this a reality. These advanced AR glasses provided users with a seamless blend of the virtual and physical worlds, creating captivating and interactive experiences. One of the most exciting aspects of AR in 2023 was its ability to enhance gaming and entertainment. With AR glasses, gamers could step into virtual worlds that seamlessly merged with their physical environment. Imagine battling virtual monsters that appear to be right in your living room, or playing a game of virtual chess on your coffee table. AR glasses allowed gamers to immerse themselves in rich, interactive experiences that were previously only possible in video games. But AR's impact extended far beyond gaming and entertainment. In 2023, industries such as healthcare, education, and retail embraced AR technology to revolutionize their practices. In healthcare, Arkansas glasses enabled doctors and surgeons to visualize medical images, such as X-rays and MRI scans, directly on the patient's body. This improved accuracy in diagnoses, surgical planning, and medical training. Surgeons could overlay real-time patient data during operations, enhancing precision and reducing the risk of errors. In education, Arkansas transformed traditional classrooms into interactive learning environments. Students could explore virtual objects, historical landmarks, and scientific phenomena as if they were physically present. AR glasses provided a new dimension to education, making it more engaging and facilitating better understanding of complex concepts. In the retail industry, Arkansas glasses allowed customers to virtually try on clothes, accessories, and even furniture in the comfort of their homes. This revolutionized the way people shopped, making it more convenient and reducing the need for physical stores. With AR glasses, customers could see how products looked on them or how furniture fit into their living spaces, enhancing their buying decisions. The advancements in AR glasses in 2023 were not limited to their visual capabilities. They were equipped with sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms that enabled gesture recognition, eye tracking, and spatial mapping. This made interactions with the virtual world more natural and intuitive, as users could use hand gestures or voice commands to control and manipulate virtual objects. The widespread adoption of AR glasses in 2023 led to a thriving ecosystem of developers and content creators who crafted an array of innovative AR applications. From virtual art installations and immersive storytelling experiences to practical tools for productivity and collaboration, the possibilities with AR glasses were endless. The revolution of AR in 2023 ushered in a new era of technology that seamlessly merged the digital and physical realms. With AR glasses, users could unlock immersive, interactive, and practical experiences that enhanced various aspects of their lives. It was a transformative step towards a future where augmented reality becomes an integral part of our everyday existence.